Begin by sectioning the hair from a low side parting towards the crown. From this point, section diagonally across the top of the head, down to a point in front of the opposite ear. Now take a section which follows the line of the front hairline, meeting the previously taken section. Begin the haircut by taking a vertical section which extends from the point at the crown down towards the hairline. Elevate this section directly upwards without over direction and cut from short to long. Take subsequent sections parallel to the first, continuing cutting from short to long without over direction until reaching centre back. From this point, begin to over-direct the bottom of each section in order to increase the amount of length and weight left behind the ear. Note how only the bottom half of the section is over-directed using a twisting action. This ensures the length at the top of each section remains consistent. Continue now in this manner until this side of the panel is complete. Now begin working through the opposite side, pivoting sections from the point at the crown. Once again, elevate these sections vertically and cut from short to long. Once the pivoted sections reach a point in front of the ear, begin taking parallel sections. As before, these sections are cut from short to long, maintaining length and weight throughout the outline. Now, using horizontal sections, cross-check the previously cut hair. once completed, move on to the outline. Begin the outline by first taking a vertical section through the centre back. Next, take a horizontal section from the occipital bone to the top of the ear. Comb the hair down carefully, allowing for the natural fall. Now, beginning behind the ear, in order to determine an exact length in line with the jaw, and cut a square line. Continue to extend this line through to the centre back. Taking a further horizontal section on the opposite side. Continue the line from centre back through to behind the ear. Next, extend the sections over the ear, ensuring the sectioning angle remains parallel to the cutting line, whilst holding the hair in the comb so as to reduce tension. Now extend the line to the corner of the jaw. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Note how care is taken to determine where the hair falls. This is crucial in achieving a clean line. Holding the hair in the comb and using the comb as a visual guide, first complete the area behind the ear. Now, using the same approach, extend the line forwards over the ear. First checking for balance, refine the line where necessary, ensuring a strong, clean line without graduation. Next, blow dry all the hair through the back and sides. Using horizontal sections once again, now pointing to the previously cut lengths. Note how the outline area remains untouched, ensuring maximum weight is maintained. Now, move on to the panel above the left ear. Working with its natural fall, hold the hair through the comb and with the points of the scissors, begin to cut a curved line which extends from the temple to below the ear. Next, move on to the final panel on top. Beginning at the crown, extend a section parallel to the parting. Using the crown as a guide, elevate the hair vertically and cut a line from short to long. Subsequent sections are pivoted from the crown and over-directed onto the first, developing length over the ear. Now blow dry the hair. Next, take a curved diagonal section which extends from behind the front hairline to a point over the ear. This section should once again mirror the cutting line. Holding the hair in the teeth of the comb, begin cutting an arced line with the points of the scissors. Once clear of the eye area, continue the line on the skin so as to minimize graduation. Repeat this process, ensuring sections are fine enough to reveal the guideline underneath, again allowing for the natural fall of the hair. Extend the curved line into the longer disconnected length, holding the hair in the comb and using the points of the scissors. Refine the outlines where necessary, paying particular attention to the temple areas. Once completed, point deeply into the crown area to create texture and volume. Finally, use freehand techniques to visually connect this panel with the outline.